lot too. Okay, at our age, we eat crumbs and salads
Right.
and crackers
Right.
and stand on the scale and we're
Get
up
fat.
a few pounds
Yeah.
and we're thinking like, what is wrong?
Right.
So
I know what's wrong.
Tell us.
Because everybody's out with diets right now, and diets work. You'll lose weight, but it's going to come back. The reason it's going to come back is that the planet has changed. We are living in the greatest environmental assault in the history of mankind. So every day you're exposed, or on a regular basis, 80,000 different chemicals, 200 by the time you finish
Toxins,
your morning ritual. Now,
even if you're exercising, you're out exercising in polluted air.
right, but you're sleeping on a mattress with toluene, and we put in a law that we have to put fire retardant on our mattresses. So you're breathing that in, you're eating it, on your food, in herbicides and pesticides. You're rubbing it on your skin. So here's how it works.
So what should we do?
When you take in toxins, everything you put in your mouth has to be used, stored, or eliminated. Well, if it's good nutrition, we can use it. If it's good nutrition, we can eliminate it. But if it's a toxin, and we're over 40, we no longer have our master antioxidant, which is glutathione. So the body doesn't know what to do with the toxins, so it says, I'll store it for you. It stores it in the fat. So it's like a closet that has too many clothes in it. The more clothes you have and you want to buy something new and put it in, you can't fit it because there's no more room. Okay, you have to detox, which I teach you in this book. You got to balance your hormones, and you got to find out if you have food intolerances.
Which is